if you're experiencing a verification pending status on Coinbase. Follow these steps to resolve the issue quickly. This guide will help you navigate the verification process efficiently. Step 1. Check your email. Ensure that you have received any emails from Coinbase regarding your verification. Sometimes, they may require additional information or documents to complete the process. Step 2. Provide required documents. If requested, submit the necessary identification documents. This may include a government-issued ID or proof of address. Make sure the documents are clear and legible. Step 3. Review your account information. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use iStalker to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breach data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 4. Contact customer support. If your verification is still pending after following the previous steps, reach out to Coinbase customer support. Provide them with details about your issue and any relevant information they may need. Step 5. Wait for confirmation. After submitting any additional documents or contacting support, be patient. Verification can take some time, but you should receive a confirmation email once the process is complete. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the verification pending issue on Coinbase. If problems persist, continue to communicate with customer support for further assistance.